You saw this animal standing in the dark? You'd think it was a monster. This is the maned wolf, and it looks like a fox on stilts. It's the tallest wild canine in South America, with legs so long they look fake. But here's the creepy part. At night, it makes a low roar-like scream that sounds nothing like a wolf. Even stranger, it smells like marijuana, because of chemicals in its urine. Scientists still don't fully understand why. Despite its scary look, the maned wolf is shy, mostly eats fruit, and avoids humans whenever it can. Nature really said, let's get weird. Like and subscribe for more.